everybody, and welcome back to another Teaching Tuesday. I hope you all enjoyed your Thanksgiving and your Thanksgiving holiday last week. We are revving up and getting excited for the holiday season this year, and I really enjoy all of the music that we have to explore during this time. So I have 4 invitations for you for events coming up. One is just simply this week of new tutorials from me. I've got one older video I'll be updating, but a bunch of new ones as well. Songs to sing around the holidays, variety of songs from a variety of traditions and musical styles. It's one of my favorite things about this time of year. We get to learn so much from each other and about each other through the music that we use to celebrate all the different stories that we tell this time of year. So look for those this week. And all of those, it'll be about one song each day that I'll be posting for you. Each of those songs will be part of our songbook for our Holiday Jam live on Zoom this Saturday, December 3rd, from 1 to 2:30 Pacific time. And I really hope you can join us. If you haven't had a chance to, just you'll want to click to fill out the contact form on my website so you're on the email list. You'll get an email with a link to the songbook itself, to the practice videos that I've been posting, and I'm really looking forward to celebrating the holidays with you all this Saturday. Again, the songs that I'm posting this week will be featured, and we will play them through at the jam, so it gives you a good chance to practice ahead of time. The third invitation is for those who are living in Portland. I'll be hosting another monthly Ukestra event this Saturday morning at Artichoke Music before the afternoon jam. And we're going to be looking at 2 rounds. One is Hine Mato from the Jewish tradition, and one is Dona Nobis Pacem, which means bring us peace. And I'm really looking forward to that. Those are 2 related scales, the F major scale and the D minor scale. So same notes, different kind of musical environment there, but really looking forward to sharing that live music with those of you who can join me in Portland. If you can't, don't worry, because next Saturday, so a week from this Saturday, December 10th, I'm going to be teaching the same rounds in an online format, again, live on Zoom. That'll be Saturday, December 10th from 10 a.m. to noon, again, Pacific time, live on Zoom, where you can learn those rounds from me. It won't quite be the same as when everybody's in the same room, but they're beautiful pieces in their own right, and I'm going to have some solo arrangements of them that you can play just on your own at home, or you'll also have the round arrangement to play with your friends in your communities wherever you are. So lots of fun to kick off the holiday season. I hope you can join me. Stick around. I know there's another video that I've posted at the same time to get you started in songs. Keep in touch this week. If you haven't subscribed already, I really encourage you to do so that you'll know when the next songs are posted. Can't wait to see you. Can't wait to practice with you. And again, hope you can join me for one of these or more of these upcoming events in the coming weeks. Happy holidays, everybody. Enjoy your practice.